Welcome to this training video on how to use dashboards for workload monitoring in automation analytics and intelligence, AAI. In this video, we'll explore how you can use dashboards in AAI to gain real-time insights into your workload, monitor performance, and take quick actions to address any issues. By the end of this course, you will be able to understand the purpose of dashboards and how widgets provide you with real-time workload insights. Learn how to add, organize, and customize widgets and tab pages for your daily monitoring needs. Use widget configuration options to personalize your dashboard views. Take actions directly from the dashboard like editing source data insights, downloading data, organizing, sharing, or removing widgets from the dashboard, and leverage dashboard insights to monitor workload performance. When you log into AAI for the first time, you're brought straight to the dashboard page. Even before customizing your views, you'll see two preloaded tabs designed to give you immediate visibility into your environment: the Business Overview and the System Overview. These default tabs give you a single-page view of your system health, even without you having to configure any data. The first default tab, the Business Overview, shows you a heat map of SLA performance across business areas over the last 12 months, or since the time AAI started gathering execution data. Based on the business area monthly performance data insight, this widget tracks how business areas and their job streams are performing over time. Green cells show consistent SLA success. Red cells flag excessive SLA breaches. The other shades show the success rates in between, helping you spot trends at a glance. Note that this widget will show no data if you haven't yet defined job streams in AAI. The second default tab, System Overview, contains several ready-made widgets that show key snapshots of your automation environment, including job load by scheduler, job load by machine, jobs trending longer, current status of all jobs, and failed jobs in the last hour. These widgets are built on data insights, which are powered by AAI's advanced real-time and historical data extraction and aggregation capabilities. As soon as a scheduler is defined in AAI, these widgets begin to populate automatically, giving you immediate visibility into your environment. Even if you're new to AAI, the System Overview tab offers a high-level, actionable view of your automation landscape without requiring any setup. In addition to the default tabs, you can add more tab pages with widgets of your choice to support your daily tasks. Let's first understand what widgets are and how you can add them to your dashboard. Widgets act like mini status monitors on your dashboard. Each widget is based on a specific data insight and serves as a compact, real-time view of that insight, giving you focused visibility right where you need it. We will go through the actions you can take on a widget later in the video, but first let's see how you can add widgets to your dashboard. You can add widgets to your dashboards in two ways, starting from the source data insight or directly on the dashboard. To add a widget from the dashboard page, start by clicking the Add New Widget button. This opens a dialog from where you can select the criteria for the widget you want added to your dashboard. First, to find the source data insight for your widget, select its data insight type. In this example, we will select a processing load type. Next, select the specific data insight you want the widget to be based on. We will select the atomic load by scheduler from the list. Note that if there are no data insights listed for a particular type, you will have to create a new data insight from this pane or from the Data Insights page. Now that you have selected the source data insight for your widget, choose the initial size for how the widget will appear on your dashboard. Then click on the Add button to view the widget in the dashboard layout as you specified. On your dashboard, you can click and drag the grab bar to move the widget around on the page. To change the size of the widget, click the sizing tool at the bottom right corner and then drag it to expand or reduce the size of the widget. And like in Data Insights, widgets too give you controls to change their configurations dynamically. For example, you can customize each widget's table layout, like reconfiguring the columns and changing the sort order to match your needs. These settings are saved on the widget and don't affect the source data. Mouse over the filter icon on the widget to see the filters that are applied. These are defined on the source data insight. Each widget has 3 view options. The default widget view shows you both the graphic and the data table. Use the buttons in the widget toolbar to switch among view options to see only the chart or just the table. This flexibility helps you get the most out of data-dense widgets. As widgets are miniature versions of their source data insights, they have the same interactive features on their charts and their tables. For example, you can quick filter the charts and zoom in and out of the data, just as you can on the source data insight. And on the table, you can select the columns you want to see on the widget and use table quick filters to focus on a subset of data. The Actions button, in the form of 3 vertical dots on the top right corner of every widget, allows you to perform more actions with the widget. Apart from other functions, you can also download the widget data to capture a snapshot of your workload performance for further analysis. Note that the Edit Data Insight option will be active only for those data insights for which you have the edit privileges. You can use the Save a Copy feature to place multiple versions of the same widget on your dashboard. And by modifying the views, you can have each showing a different aspect of your workload. For example, you can compare the peak processing load on 2 groups of schedulers side by side. You can also expand the widget to fill the entire main pane of AAI by clicking the double arrow button in the widget toolbar. This, in effect, opens the source data insight in its full size, and if you have editing rights, you can edit it, including changing its filter settings. Now let's see how you can group and organize widgets to create your custom page views. In AAI, your dashboard isn't limited to the default tabs. You can create multiple tabs, each tailored to a specific area of focus. Think of tabs as categories or views that help you stay organized. To create a tab, click on the Add New Tab button and select the Blank Tab button. Notice that this menu also includes options for restoring the default tabs if you deleted them. When you click on the Blank Tab button, it opens a tab called Monitoring with an option to add widgets. You can rename the tab by clicking on the Action menu, and once you have created a tab, you can add widgets to the page. You can organize each tab to hold a unique set of widgets, giving you focused visibility into the specific aspects of your workload. Clicking the Actions menu on a tab lets you perform additional actions, such as renaming, duplicating, or removing the tab from your dashboard. You can pin the ones you use most to the left or rearrange tabs for easy access. Whether you're an operator tracking job health or a business owner monitoring SLA compliance, tabs help you zero in on what matters fast. That brings us to the end of this video, but before we wrap up, let's have a quick recap of what we learned so far. When you first log into AAI, you land on the dashboard page with 2 preloaded tabs: the Business Overview and the System Overview. The business overview shows a 12-month heat map of SLA performance across business areas using color-coded cells. The System Overview tab includes ready-made widgets that show key snapshots of your workload performance. Widgets on your dashboard are built on specific data insights and offer real-time charts and tables that refresh automatically. You can add widgets by selecting a source data insight and choosing a layout style before placing it on your dashboard. You can modify column layouts, change sort orders, and use quick filters directly in each widget without altering the source data insight. Move, resize, and duplicate widgets. Use the Actions menu to edit insights if permitted. Download CSV or PDF reports. You can use the Save a Copy feature to place multiple versions of a widget on your dashboard with different filters. Add more tabs to your dashboard. Rename, rearrange, or pin tabs for quick access. With that, we conclude this video on using dashboards for workload monitoring in AAI. Thank you.